This is taking longer than I thought. We're gonna have to come back to this project.
I'm taking a break. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse.
I don't really know what we're gonna do today, so let's check the comments.
Toya, you know that Aaliyah body swap don't match? No, it doesn't.
This is an absolutely gorgeous doll, but she didn't come on a made-to-move body, and that's kind of a must for me. And as I'm looking closely, her factory hands aren't an exact match. And the made-to-move bodies that I currently have aren't a perfect match.
So what's a collector to do?
Put her back on her original body? In my brain, is that even an option? Because right now, I have a feeling I'm not going to use her in video. Honestly, is it really that bad? I'm torn! Y'all, I put every doll on a made-to-move body. Integrity Toys, including Poppy Parker, Naturalistas, Latinistas, Disney Princesses, Elphaba's lucky that she's green, cause I even swapped Bratz, which is also not a perfect match. But I usually keep Monster High on their factory bodies.
Don't worry, Cleo, we'll take care of this soon.
So maybe I should just give the original body a try.
Prepare the hot water. Again,
place the doll in a plastic bag,
into hot water, remove the hands,
pull off her head, and place her back on the original body.
All right, we're doing this with flat feet and no ankles.
But she's a gorgeous doll, so we're gonna make it work.
Now let's find her something to wear.
I got this outfit from Logan's Locker 718 on Etsy a while back. It's a gray two-piece set. The top is cropped so we can see the belly button. The pants have pockets, which I love. Super cute loungewear. I'm definitely a loungewear girl. I also got one for the guys. They open and close with a snap in the back. There's a pocket in the front. The pants have pockets. Very cute little his and hers set.
Or just hers.
I paired the guys' pants with Puma shorts for a baggy look, or we can just do the oversized sweatshirt thing.
I got mail.
This is from Barb Me Fashion. There's an Etsy shop. They sent us a white hoodie that says Starbucks Coffee. It also has snaps in the back. There's a hood, and it has a little drawstring, and I think I see little aglets. I think that's what they're called. I'm trying to remember Phineas and Ferb. They actually work, and there's a working pocket in the front. I've had this for a minute. I am so sorry. I am just now opening it, just like a few fashion packs I found online, with prices for about $10 a set. This is a pack of 6 dresses. We've shown this style before, but this time we got a few new colors. They are tube dresses with matching ribbon straps, made out of a ribbed material, and there is a little stretch. They are an easy fit on a classic Barbie. We have teal, kind of like a seafoam green. However, the ribbon straps are pulling a little. This one is a greenish taupe. The ribbon in the back is pretty much shredded. Here it is in lavender, a copper brown, and bright red. I originally paid $9.99 for this set. We got 6 dresses, so that's about $1.66 each. If you've got a few headbands lying around, you can totally DIY this. Cut a 6-inch piece. I flip it inside out, fold over, hem it. I place it on the doll and pin it in the back to take it in. Sew it using a straight stitch. Mine follows the curve of the doll's body. Trim off the excess to make a similar dress for $1.25 if you bought the headband at the dollar store. And even less if you're using one you already have or just use fabric. I have enough of the headband left over to make a second dress, so we can get 2 for $1.25. We can take another piece, fold it, matching up the ends, so the good side is on the inside. I opened it up and sewed a line, making a thin tube, flip it inside out. With the seam on the outside, let's match up the ends and sew them together. Flip it inside out and place it over the dress. No purchase necessary if you've already got a headband. This was a 15-piece set for $13.99. The clothes and accessories are in 2 bags. We get a few pairs of generic shoes, This purse totally looks like a Barbie purse I've seen. And we got this purse as well. And this one too. We have a pair of sunglasses that are a little large, a pair of pink socks that are not hemmed at the top. Here they are on a doll. In the clothing bag, we have a stretchy top that looks like a tube with an elastic waistband, 2 detached matching sleeves. Here it is on the doll with a pair of included jeans. We've seen jeans like this a lot online. They're pretty simple, real denim, and Velcro in the back. Not too bad. Could be a fun look for eating lunch in the park. The next outfit gives us some patent leather pants. At this price point, they're not too bad. I could live without the sparkly ribbon belt at the top. I just tucked it in, showing that there might be enough material to remove and hem it. It's paired with a white top. It's sleeveless, and we do have a raw edge at the arms, but we can cover it with the included black and white houndstooth jacket. It's a loose fit, but not too bad, and we could totally take it apart and use it as a pattern. There's a denim skirt and tropical top. The top is a little large and has pieces of fabric hanging from the shoulder, but the denim skirt is pretty decent. We get a denim dress with glued-on embellishments. There's a lot going on with this one. I don't think the embellishments were needed. We have tulle at the shoulders. I'm seeing some raw edges. The overall shape isn't too bad. So again, I say pull it apart and use it as a pattern. The last outfit is a hoodie. It's kind of a sweater material and it's like a super bright orangey pink color. The hood fits, but it's a little wide at the neckline. It's paired with denim shorts with stitched details. To me, it's one of the better outfits out of this set. I did see the hoodies by themselves for $7.99. We get 4, the same pink-orange sweater one, a solid orange made out of t-shirt material. Here you can really tell that the neckline is large. This one's kind of a deep salmon color. A couple stitches are missing at the bottom. And the last one is green. $7.99 for 4, we're paying about $1.99 each. I was at Five Below, and I found this super cute phone case. Not doll related, but they are minis, so I thought it was cute. And when I turned around, I saw this. It's a mirror car charm for $5. It comes on a chain that we can easily remove. It is super reflective. Look, you can see part of my camera. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, there's my shirt. But it's a great size for the dollhouse and totally adds a little glam. Speaking of glam, right next to the mirror, I found a chandelier car charm. This was also $5. It's a gold color, comes on a chain. It looks like we have some clear pony beads there. I think we could find a way to attach it to the ceiling in the dollhouse for something fancy. My store only had 1, but I'm totally gonna go back and see if I can find a few more. And I just found out that the mirror is not glass and it scratches easily. So there's that. The chandelier is definitely my favorite find of the day. Let us know what your favorite is in the comments down below. Thank you for joining me while I took a break. Checked out some fun finds from Five Below and some fashion. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.